Welcome to MBBS Council. We provide personalized counseling guidance for parents and students who are looking MBBS, MD, MS admission, especially in Rajasthan State. Rajasthan State Counselling Authority released a schedule for 2022 NEET UG Round 1. Let's see the notifications one by one. Before moving into this video, I request you to subscribe our channel to get the current counseling updates. Rajasthan State UG Round 1 online application form filling and the payment of application fees is starting from tomorrow onwards. Last date for paying application fees is 18th October and submitting the online application form is ending at the same day 11:45 pm. Round 1 seat matrix will be released on 16th October. Provisional candidate list will be released for PWD, Defense, PM, NRI candidates at 19th October. Round 1 document verification for PWD, Defense, PM, NRI candidates in offline mode at 21st October. Round 1 provisional merit list is released for all categories on 22nd October. MBBS Council application sends you all counseling current events at daily manner with counseling tips and tricks for helping parents and students. You can find it in the MBBS Console App's update menu. Why are you waiting? Download MBBS Console app now. Installation link is given in the description below. Paying security deposit amount and online choice filling starts on the same day, 22nd October. For Rajasthan State Government Colleges, security deposit amount is Rs 10,000 for general candidates and 5,000 for SC, ST, OBC, MBC candidates. Rs 1 lakh for security deposit amount for all Rajasthan State private colleges for all candidates. 27th October is last date for paying security deposit amount and online choice filling ends on the same day. If you have filled the choices, it will be locked automatically after the last date is over. Before that, you can make the changes and modify your choices. After that, you will not be allowed to make any changes. Candidates can print their online application form on 28th October. Rajasthan State Round 1 allotment will be released on 31st October. Candidates can download their allotment letter from 1st of November at 9 pm onwards. Offline reporting for Round 1 allotted candidates ends on 4th of November at 4 pm. MBBS Council App provides All India Quota, State Quota, Management Quota, Open Quota, NRI Quota, cutoff for more than 20 plus states and college details that includes important factors to choose a best medical college such as number of MBBS seats, PG courses, tuition fees, hostel fees and other charges, etc. You may ask why you need to install the MBBS Council App. It helps you to avoid the rush and avoid mistakes while the time of choice filling of yours. A simple mistake would lead you to miss a good medical college if you take a wrong decision. As well, you may lose your money, time and effort. Take expert guidance to avoid all these problems and importantly, to have a peace of mind till you get the best allotment based on the merit and preference of yours. To clarify all your counseling related doubts, and to get more information about personalized counseling, click the WhatsApp floating button in the MBBS Council app. Your assigned counselor waits for you on the other side. If you like this video, kindly give a thumbs up. We'll meet in another video. See you then.